Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 5th. Subject English. Topic number 31. Give your mind a workout. So students, the proverb, a sound mind in a sound body, simply means that one's body and mind should both be kept fit and healthy. So we need a healthy diet and proper exercise to keep our body fit. But students, what do we do to exercise our mind? The answer is quite simple. Just as we work out or play games for physical exercise, we can use puzzles, riddles, board games, jokes, etc. to exercise our mind. So students, let us look at some interesting examples of games, puzzles, riddles and fun facts. So this is 9 Men's Morris. So students, this game is played with 2 players. Okay? Each player has 9 pieces, 1 set black, 1 set white. Or students, you may simply draw the board as shown here in the picture and use buttons, beads, seeds, etc. as pieces. So, the player take turns to place their pieces, men, in the empty spot, one at a time. So, students, if you are able to place 3 men in a row or column, you form a mill. Okay, so then you can remove one of your opponent's men, and you cannot remove men in your opponent's mill unless she has no other men left on the board. So once you have placed all your men on the board, you can start moving them only to an adjacent empty spot. So if you have only 3 men left, they can fly. That is, they can move to any vacant spot on the board. And so students, if a player has less than 3 men left or is unable to make a move, she loses the game. And so students, you can find out how to play other simpler games like tic-tac-toe, dots and boxes, etc. and also other board games. So you can also invent your own board game. So you can do this activity. Now students, let us look at this mathematic trick. So first, in this, we have to take any 3-digit number in which the first and the last digits differ by 2 or more. For example, let us take 145. Now, we have to write the number in reverse order, which is 541, right? Reverse will be 541. Now, we have to subtract the smaller of the 2 numbers with the bigger one. So, it will be 541 minus 145. Right? So, what will be the answer? The difference is 396. Now, we have to reverse this number. So, we'll get 693. Now next step is we have to add these two numbers. So when we will add, we will get 1089. Okay. So students, no matter which 3-digit number you start with, the result is always 1089. So you can try this trick with your friends or family members and surprise them by telling the answer yourself. Next is what? A puzzle. So Pintu invited 10 of his friends for a birthday party. He had 10 pencils in a box. He gave each of his friends one pencil as a gift. After that, there was one pencil in the box. How did that happen? Explain. So student, the possible explanations are: first, along with the pencil, Pintu gave the box to one of his friends. That is why the pencil is in the box. And second, one of his friends forgot to take the pencil. So Pintu put it back in the box. Now these are some jokes. So it is: teacher, Nina auntie gave you and your younger sister a guava and asked you to share it equally. How much of the guava will you get? So Ananya, all of it. My younger sister doesn't like guavas. So this is the first joke. Second, teacher, Saurav, tell me who makes changes in this environment. Saurav, sorry madam, but I don't do anything. So students, similarly you can find other jokes related to your school subjects from sources like magazines, books or the internet. Now students, the page which you can see on the screen is of your English workbook. So this, let us give your mind a workout, is on page 95 of your English workbook. And students, as it is an activity based lesson, so there are no notes. And so only you can do is that so you can do this activity, that is you can read Nine Men's Morris on page 75 of the textbook and play this game with your friends. Then you can find out how to play simple games like tic-tac-toe, dots and boxes, etc. and other boards games. You can also invent your own board games. Then this second one is about a mathematic trick that is given on page 76. And similarly, you can find other mathematic tricks with numbers with the help of your parents or from the internet. And third is, you can try to solve the puzzle. We already solved this. So similarly, you can find other riddles and puzzles from books, magazines or internet. And fourth is, read and enjoy with your friends the jokes given on page 76 of your textbook. Find more jokes related to your school subjects from magazine, books or the internet.